Gus, this is the weather right now in Ottawa. I'm recording. Yo. Oh. I hope we don't lose power. Ugh. Shh. Sorry.
And what's the secret?
To this new novel, The Death of Derecho, which is kind of more about that spirituality.
There's your hail, buddy.
This 2020 novel is where a message.
Oh God, I
really
hope the
blossoms and
windshield
shines
doesn't
as a
break.
writer.
Okay, well, we're moving on
Whoa,
to...
whoa!
What?
That fucking sign just went by.
Oh shit. God, I'm getting scared.
How does this...
It's alright.
Oh my God.
The Death of Derecho,
I've never seen
published by
a Thunderstorm this
books.
bad.
It narrates his life. So in the first paragraph, you realize that this person has
stay
died.
here
It's
or
set
go
in a
or
town
what?
in
I think we should
Nigeria.
wait.
One
I'm not
day,
gonna
a woman
get
opens her
these
front door and
trees.
discovers Vivek, her son's body, wrapped in colorful fabric at her feet. So
gonna
what
get my
happens
ass- get
next
out of
is
the
like a
way of these
heart-wrenching story
Yeah.
about identity, about who Vivek was, his relationships
out
to other
for a bit.
people, and how this person, Vivek, was navigating their own
Scary.
identity, gender-wise, in terms of sexual identity. Vivek was suffering like disoriented blackouts, moments of disconnection between their self and their surroundings. As they grew up, they
Oh,
sought
yeah.
solace in friendships through